Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best sleeping futons in 2019. To see the price and more information about these sleeping futons, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the EMOOR Japanese Futon. If you want a futon that guarantees you have the best sleep, then this one by EMOOR Japanese Futon is an ideal. The simple styled unit may look thin, but the comfort it provides is amazing. And just like the best types, it combines dependability, space efficiency and longevity. You will enjoy its goodness for a long time and also don't have to worry about pain and aches. It comprises a futon mattress Chikibuton, a comforter Kokobuton and a pillow. All the pieces are made of high quality and comfortable fabric to keep you cozy and warm. They fold easily for easy storage or transportability and have an easy clean surface. When folded, all they fit nicely inside a box. Also, they have antibacterial properties to keep you and other users safe from bacteria, allergies and other things. At number 4. We have the EMOOR CLASSE series. The EMOOR brand produces quality and reliable futon mattresses. This one is the second one on this review, and just like its stablemate, it will provide a perfect sleeping location. It doesn't take up a lot of space and this suited for small spaces such as apartments, studios and dorms. The outer cover is made of 100% microscopic cotton fabric, and also for extra comfort, the soft surface won't scratch or feel rough in the bare skin and has a good readability. The hypoallergenic Tigean eco-filling gives it coziness and warmth. It has antibacterial properties to keep bacteria, pathogens and other things at bay, and also doesn't develop unpleasant smells in the cause of using it. The deodorant can last for as many as 3 years and cleaning it is straightforward. It folds to a smaller size for effective storage and doesn't get dirty easily. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Milliard Tri-Fold. With this foam mattress, familiar, napping or sleeping will be more rewarding. The Twin XL mattress is ideal for any user and can be used in many situations. It's good for you, your guests, adults, children and more. The excellent looking product has an elegant design to match your beautiful decor and is useful in the college, dorm, apartment, camping, family dens and many other places. It measures 78 by 38 by 4.5 inches and folds down to a smaller size of 38 by 29 by 14 inches. The accessory features a soft fabric that can easily be removed for washing. The filling comprises 30 pure US high-density foam for comfort and longevity and won't stretch, sag, shrink or lose its effectiveness. When not sleeping in it, you can use it as a sofa or even a floor mat. At number 2. We have the Milliard Tri-Fold Twin. The Milliard Tri-Fold Twin mattress is undoubtedly what you desire as a back sleeper or a person who wants to maximize space and comfort. You want a futon that will not only offer the best support but it's also very comfortable. This one measures 78 lucies, 38 wx, 4D inches and can be placed on the floor without a problem. You will still feel as if sleeping under regular bed despite the hard surface. It has a soft cozy cover that feels nice on the body and is ultra smooth. It is also breathable for proper air circulation and doesn't get dirty or steamed easily. The 4 inches thick luxe foam gives it comfort and won't lose shape or functionality even after continuous use. It folds down to 38 by 26 by 12 inches and this improves storage or carrying. The hypoallergenic bamboo is safe and hypoallergenic and will stop harmful compounds. It is removable for easy cleaning and maintenance. And thanks to its slim profile, the mattress requires a small storage space. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Milliard Tri-Folding Twin XL. The Milliard Tri-Folding Twin XL mattress tops our review of the best sleeping futons. It has a modern design for improved sleeping position and comfort but still features space-efficient design. It can be used in the home, dorm room, holiday home, apartment, caravan and other places. The trifold design improves foldability and portability, while the sturdy design ensures the foam and material don't get messed up because of frequent folding and unfolding. It has a nice thickness of 6 inches and doesn't shrink or lose its effectiveness even after extended use. The foam memory hugs the body nicely for improved support and also to conserve the warmth. The cover is ultra smooth and cozy courtesy of the removable jacquard ultra soft bamboo cover to ensure it remains firm on the same spot and doesn't move. The Futon has a non-slip bottom. When unfolded in a flat position, the mattress measures 78 L, 30 HW inches and when folded it reduces to 38 loosies, 26 W inches. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.